I'm going to peel the outer cover. Do you guys peel the outer cover of the liver before cooking? I know some of you don't even do this. You cook direct. But this thing, it's important to peel this thing because it's not chewable. Yeah. So it's important to remove this outer thing. I had already removed these ones, so these ones don't have that outer thing. So next I'm just going to cut them into small pieces. So after cutting, I'm going to wash them. So I'm just going to transfer it here so that the water can drain. I want all the water to drain first before I start cooking. So here is my liver washed, and as you can see, I have drained the water completely. I have coriander, green bell peppers, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes. I have 2 royco cubes. This is salt and royco powder. So in my pan I've added cooking oil and onions. I'm just going to wait for the onions to turn. So next I'm going to add the liver. And then I'm going to cover it and wait for 2 minutes. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. cook it for 2 minutes. I'm going to add my onions, my tomatoes, sorry, the tomatoes, salt and royco powder, my 2 royco cubes, and green bell peppers. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to turn it now. Let me cover it so that the tomatoes can cook as well. So the tomatoes are ready, as you can see. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water, like that. Then I'm going to cover it for 1 minute. So my liver is ready. So lastly, I'm just going to add coriander or dhania. Then I'm going to turn off the heat. So my liver is ready. So next I'm just going to cook my rice. I'm going to enjoy it with the rice, some turmeric rice. So yeah, I'm making turmeric rice. So this is the onion for the rice. I'm going to add turmeric, salt, and 1 royco cube. You can add black pepper, but I can't add chili because some of us don't use chili. So next I'm going to add water, 2 cups of water. So I'm just going to let the water to boil so that I can put my rice. So now I'm going to add my rice. The water is boiling now. Then I'm going to cover it and put the flame on low heat. So guys, my rice is ready. Turmeric rice is ready. Wow, the aroma, I can't wait to eat. So I'm just going to plate it.